topic haloalkane and haloarenes. Here this topic asks for exam marks 8 in this year. Then in annual examination question number 8 number, then question number 15 number, then question number 32 number. Here this question number 8 asks for exam 1 marks, then question number 15 asks for exam 2 marks, and this question carries 5 marks. In this 5 marks, A part, B part or C part. A part 2 marks, B part 2 marks and C part 2 marks. Then another way, A part 3 marks, B part 2 marks. This topic asks for exam 8 marks. Here, first haloalkane. First haloalkane. Here, halo means halogens. For example, in periodic table, group number 70 is all halogens. Already studied in PUC first year. Here, which example? Fluorine, chlorine, bromine, and iodine. This is a halogens. Simply आपको ध्यान में रखने के लिए फर्स्ट क्लास बिरयानी इन कहाँ पे मतलब फ्लोरीन, क्लोरीन, ब्रोमीन, आयोडीन. Then alkane. Then next alkane. Alkane means which contain carbon-carbon single bond. Which contain carbon-carbon single bond. For example, methane. Another example, ethane. Okay. Then next haloalkane means halogen derivatives. Halogen derivatives of alkane is called haloalkane. Haloalkane means it is a halogen derivative of alkane. Okay. Then for example CH3 Cl. Another example C2H5 Br. Name of this compound is methyl. CH3 means methyl. Cl means chloride. Here ethyl bromide. This is an example. This is a introduction part. Okay. Next point, classification. Next classification means vargीकरण. Classification of haloalkane on the basis of number of halogen atoms. Classification on the basis of number of halogen atoms. Classification on the basis of number of halogen atoms. First monohalogens. First one monohalogen means that monohalogen means which contain only one halogen atom. Which contain only one halogen atom. For example, here RX. R is alkyl group and X means where R is alkyl group, X means halogen. Here example, alkyl group CH3 halogen. For example, halogen, which example? Fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. Then here CH3 Cl. Here monohalogen means which contain only one halogen atom. Here example methyl chloride. Another next dihalogen. Next dihalogen in this which contain two halogen atom. For example CH2Cl, CH2Cl. In this example 1,2-dichloroethane, 1,2, name of this compound is 1,2-di, di means 2-dichloro, Cl means chloro, 2 carbon atom है, ethane, name of this compound is 1,2-dichloroethane. This is a dihalogens, मतलब वहां पे दो हेलोजन एटम होना चाहिए. अब ट्राइहेलोजन होगा which contain 3 halogen atoms. Trihalogen means which contain 3 halogen atoms. For example here CH2Cl, CHCl, then CH2Cl. This is a trihalogen compound. Okay. This is a classification based on the basis of number of halogen atoms. मतलब monohalogen means which contain only one halogen atom. Dihalogen means which contain only 2 halogen atom. Then trihalogen means which contain 3 halogen atom. Next, these monohalogen compounds are again classified or further classified compounds containing. Next, compounds containing. Next point here, compounds containing carbon. Compounds containing sp3CX bond. sp3 मतलब यहाँ पे जो हेलोजन एटम उस कार्बन को अटैच है वो कार्बन का टाइप कौन सा होना चाहिए? sp3 टाइप ऑफ कार्बन एटम. आपको पता होगा sp3, sp2 और sp. Here basic, here in this carbon containing 4 bonds, single bond. This type of carbon called sp3. Here this carbon containing double bonded compound, carbon number 1 and carbon number 2. Here this sigma bond, this 2 sigma bond, here 1 sigma bond, 1 pi bond, means 3 sigma bond and 1 pi bond. Type of hybridization is sp2. And last one here hydrogen C triple bond, hydrogen 1 and 2. Here carbon number 1 sp2 type of hybridization, also carbon number 2 sp2 type of hybridization. Then here carbon number 1 and 2, carbon number 1 containing 1 sigma bond, sorry, here 2 sigma bond and 2 pi bond. This type of hybridization is 2 sigma and 2 pi bond. This type of hybridization is sp. आप इतना ध्यान में रखो. और जो कार्बन एटम है उस कार्बन एटम को 4 सिंगल बॉन्ड होंगे तो उसे हम बोल सकते हैं sp3. एक कार्बन एटम को 3 सिग्मा बॉन्ड और 1 पाई बॉन्ड होगा तो वो कार्बन रहता है हाइब्रिडाइजेशन स्टेट में sp2. देन हियर वो कार्बन एटम को 2 सिग्मा बॉन्ड और 2 पाई बॉन्ड तो मतलब वहां पे क्या रहेगा? sp टाइप ऑफ हाइब्रिडेशन. तो आपको यहाँ पे कंपाउंड्स कंटेनिंग sp3CX बॉन्ड मतलब यहाँ पे जो आप एग्जांपल लेंगे उस एग्जांपल को जो भी हेलोजन एटम हेलोजन एटम है वो कार्बन को अटैच है, वो कार्बन क्या रहेगा sp3 टाइप ऑफ हाइब्रिडाइजेशन। उसमें नंबर 1 अल्कील halide, नंबर 1 alkyl halides, alkyl halides for example here, for example CH3Cl, ऐसे लिख सकते हैं हम हाइड्रोजन, here हाइड्रोजन हाइड्रोजन, तो यहाँ पे Cl हेलोजन एटम। अब यहाँ पे देखो in these halide, definition क्या लिखना है, in these halide the halogen atom is attached to alkyl group or sp3 hybridized carbon atom। definition में क्या रहेगा, in these halide the halogen atom is attached to alkyl group or sp3 hybridized carbon atom, this is a alkyl halide। second example, another second is number 2 allylic halides। अब यहां पे देख एग्जांपल दिया है CH3 CH डबल बॉन्ड CH Cl, सर ये एग्जांपल नहीं है, ऐसा एग्जांपल है CH2 डबल बॉन्ड CH CH2 Cl, एग्जांपल। अब देखो यहाँ alkyl halide means in these halides the halogen atom is attached to alkyl group or sp3 hybridized carbon atom। ये जो कार्बन है कौन सा टाइप का हाइब्रिडाइजेशन है, इसको sp3 है। अब आपको देखना है allylic halide, here in these halide the halogen atom is attached to sp3 carbon atom, the halogen atom is attached to sp3 carbon atom next to carbon carbon double bond, next to carbon carbon double bond is called allylic halide। allylic halide का मतलब क्या है, जो भी हेलोजन एटम है वो sp3 कार्बन को अटैच है, नेक्स्ट टू कार्बन कार्बन डबल बॉन्ड होगा। मतलब यहाँ पे भी allylic में भी क्या रहेगा, जो भी हेलोजन एटम है अटैच sp3 कार्बन को रहेगा, नेक्स्ट टू कार्बन कार्बन डबल बॉन्ड। नेक्स्ट बेंजिलिक हाइलाइड, आप देखो यहां पे बेंजिलिक हाइलाइड, ये थर्ड नंबर है, ये सेकंड नंबर, फर्स्ट नंबर। इन बेंजिलिक हाइलाइड here benzylic halide, benzylic for example here benzene CH2 Cl, here in this halide benzylic halide, in this halide the halogen atom is attached to sp3 hybridized carbon atom, is attached to sp3 type of hybridized carbon atom next to benzene ring। here simple way, in alkyl halides the halogen atom is attached to sp3 carbon atom or next to alkyl group। here allylic halide, in this halide the halogen atom is attached to sp3 carbon atom next to carbon carbon double bond, then benzylic halide, here when halogen atom is attached to sp3 carbon atom next to benzene ring, this is a compound compounds containing sp3CH bond. Then here primary halides, secondary halides and tertiary halides. Primary halides means the halogen atom is attached to primary carbon atom. Primary halides मतलब क्या है, जो भी हैलोजन एटम अटैच रहेगा उस कार्बन को, वो कार्बन क्या रहेगा, प्राइमरी रहेगा. फॉर एग्जांपल CH3 CH2 Cl, carbon number 1, carbon number 2. Here this is a primary halide. Here the halogen atom is attached to primary carbon. Primary carbon means the carbon atom directly attached to only one carbon atom. अब देखो ये प्राइमरी कार्बन है, डायरेक्टली एक ही कार्बन का अटैच है, इसकी वजह से प्राइमरी है. देन नेक्स्ट नंबर 2 सेकेंडरी हैलाइड, मतलब यहाँ पे जो हैलोजन एटम रहेगा वो सेकंड कार्बन को रहेगा. अब देखो CH3 CH Cl CH3. अब यहाँ पे ये हैलोजन है Cl, यहाँ पे Cl. अब नंबर 1 2 and 3. In secondary halide the halogen atom is attached to secondary carbon. Secondary carbon means this carbon is directly attached to two carbon atom. जो सेकेंडरी कार्बन मतलब क्या है, वो दो कार्बन को डायरेक्टली अटैच रहेगा, ये उसे क्या बोल सकते हैं हम, सेकेंडरी. और लास्ट वन है टर्शियरी हैलाइड. लास्ट वन टर्शियरी हैलाइड मतलब यहाँ पे जो भी टर्शियरी कार्बन है उस कार्बन को हैलोजन अटैच रहेगा. एग्जांपल CH3 here halogen 1 2 and 3. Here the halogen atom is attached to tertiary carbon. Tertiary carbon means the carbon is directly attached to the three carbon atoms 1 2 3. Hence this carbon is tertiary, directly attached to only one carbon. It is a primary, directly attached to two carbon. It is a secondary, then directly attached to three carbon होगा, उसे हम क्या बोल सकते हैं, टर्शियरी. और जिस कार्बन पे हैलोजन एटम है उस पे हम ये करेंगे प्राइमरी, सेकेंडरी, टर्शियरी. अब नेक्स्ट point, compounds containing sp2CH bond. इसमें फर्स्ट phenylic halide. Here example CH2 double bond CH single. Example compounds containing number 2 compounds containing sp2CH bond. Here first phenylic halide. In this halide the halogen atom is attached to sp2 carbon atom. In this halide the halogen atom is attached to sp2 carbon atom of carbon carbon double bond is called phenylic halide. Phenylic halide means in this halide the halogen atom is attached to sp2 carbon atom of carbon carbon double bond. उसे हम क्या बोल सकते हैं, phenylic halide. Another one, second one 2 है, second arene halide. Second one arene halides. Here for example benzene compound is chlorobenzene. Name of this compound is chlorobenzene. Here, in aryl halides, the halogen atom is attached to sp2 carbon atom. This carbon is sp2 type of hybridization of benzene ring. Chlorobenzene, the halogen atom is attached to sp2 carbon atom of benzene ring, is called aryl halide. Okay, this is the compounds containing carbon sp2 CX bond. The previous compounds containing sp3, alkyl halide, alkyl halide, allylic halide, benzylic halide. Then here compounds containing sp2CX bond, phenylic halide, aryl halide. Phenylic halide means in this halide the halogen atom is attached to sp2 carbon of sp2 hybridized carbon of carbon-carbon double bond here of benzene ring. This is a classification part.